Ngayon, dahil nag-accumulate na ang utang nila at nag-compound na ang interes sa utang, they need to work hard every day just to pay off their debt. They have to render overtime.
Hello everyone! I'm Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated.
3 bagay na magpapayaman sa'yo. Una is decision. Sabi nga, financial education is not a dream. It is a decision. You have to be aware na you need to do something in your situation. Doing something to improve your personal financial situation is a requirement, not an option. Bakit? Dahil pataas ng pataas ang bilihin o may inflation rate na 5% on the average per year. Kung ngayon ang presyo ng 1 kilong bigas ay 50 pesos, next year tataas na yan to 52.50 dahil sa inflation. Then, you have to accept your situation. Pwedeng sa ngayon may existing kang utang sa credit card na 20,000. Accept it and do something to eliminate this kahit paunti-unti. Or pwede rin, 10 years ka na nagtatrabaho, wala ka pang ipon. Accept it na nagkamali ka na you spend 100% of your income. Ang importante ay magsimula ka. Then, kailangan may target ka. Set financial goals, state the amount, when mo need, and why. Dapat may plan ka. Based on financial calculator, if your goal is to have 1 million after 20 years, you have to save 33 pesos a day or 1,000 pesos per month. This is with the assumption that the rate of return is 12%. If your goal is to have 3 million after 20 years, you need to save 100 pesos a day or 3,000 pesos per month. If you save 100 pesos per day, that's 3,000 pesos per month. Investing it at 12% rate of return per year, after 20 years, may 3 million ka. You cannot improve your financial situation if you don't have the right mindset. Majority has a poor mindset. We earn to spend. Starting today, decide to save for your future. Start an investing mindset. Decide to start a habit of saving and investing money. Second, discipline. In order to improve your financial situation, decision is not enough. You need to act on it. When you act, it should be with regularity, meaning you have to save and invest every month. One-time investment of 5,000 pesos in mutual fund or stocks will not make you wealthy. Maganda habang maliit pa lang sweldo mo, matuto ka na mag-save. Kasi saving is a habit. Kung di mo na-discipline sarili mo habang maliit pa ang sweldo mo, kahit malaki pa ang net pay mo, mahihirapan kang mag-ipon. Kaya madalas pag may salary increase, nag-increase din ang expense. Dati kung 15,000 pa lang sweldo mo, okay na sa'yo, worth 60 pesos na lunch. Nung naging supervisor ka, lagi ka na nagla-lunch out. And then sasabihin mo, bakit kaya ganon? Lumaki naman sweldo ko. Bakit hirap pa rin makaipon? When it comes to saving money, it doesn't matter kung maliit or malaki ang sweldo mo. What is important is how you manage your money. Don't wait for job promotion. Don't wait for salary increase. Start with what you have right now. To check how well you manage your finances, I will give an example. Assuming you are working for 5 years now, ang sweldo mo ay 20,000 pesos per month. 20,000 times 13 months equals 260,000. Ginamit ko 13 instead of 12 months kasi sinama ko 13th month. 260,000 times 5 years equals 1.3 million. Ibig sabihin, ito yung total na sinweldo mo for 5 years na nagtatrabaho ka. Kung ang total salary for 5 years is 1.3 million and based sa prosperity formula na 20% dapat nasa-save mo, your total savings for 5 years should be 260,000. Kung wala pa sa 50,000 na ipon mo, it is a sign na di mo na-manage ng tama ang salary mo dahil maliit lang ang naipon mo. Pwede mong gawin to para ma-assess mo kung gaano ka ka-discipline. Sabi nga ni T. Harv Eker, rich people manage their money well. Poor people mismanage their money well. In addition, you should have a long-term perspective. Don't pull out your investment. Time is very important. We are discussing here consistently saving money for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. During these years, in order to achieve your goals, you have to discipline yourself every day. Discipline means choosing short-term pain to reach long-term gain. At pangatlo, determination. When you decide to limit your expenses, when you say no to instant gratification, majority of your friends will starting to question you. They will laugh at you. But if your goals are more important to you, you will be determined, you will be committed. Tony Robbins' pain and pleasure approach. This is one of my favorite approach every time na tinatamad akong gawin or simula ng isang bagay na importante. According to Tony Robbins, we want pleasure and we avoid pain. For example, when it comes to managing our money, we want instant gratification. We buy clothes, we travel, we eat expensive foods, we choose pleasure. We don't want to save and discipline ourselves because it's not fun. Di ko man lang may enjoy sweldo ko, hello. Ang sarap kaya mag-add to cart. Okay lang naman mag-shopping online or magpa-deliver ng masarap na pagkain kung nakakapag-ipon ka din at the same time. Hindi yung na-enjoy mo lahat at wala kang naipon kada sweldo. We don't realize na it's more painful if we don't do what we have to do. Alam natin na importante ang savings pero di natin sinisimulan. Alam natin na importante ang disiplina pero di natin ginagawa. Maraming tao dahil pinili nila ang pleasure, they are suffering now. Ito yung mga tao na swipe ng credit card. Ngayon dahil nag-accumulate na ang utang nila at nag-compound na ang interes sa utang, they need to work hard every day just to pay off their debt. They have to render overtime. To understand this further, let me give you an example. Think of pleasure you will enjoy if you save and invest money. You have an emergency fund. Something happens, you have extra fund. Money working for you because investment can give you passive income through interest. Better life for your family. Mas handa ka pag nag-aral mga anak mo. Dahil naghanda ka, mapapasok mo sila sa school na gusto mo. More quality time with your family. Dahil may fund ka, nakakapag-travel kayo together ng family mo. Mas may time ka sa family mo. And of course, peace of mind. If you have savings, mas productive ka, you can focus on other important aspects of your life like spiritual, relationships, and health. Now, think of pain you will be suffering if you don't save. You incur more debt kapag may emergency dahil wala kang extra fund. You work hard for money kasi kailangan mong kumita para may pambayad ka sa utang mo. Disappointing your family. Kapag problemado ka sa pera, madalas affected na din relationship mo sa family mo dahil laging mainit ulo mo or di mo mabigay ang kailangan ng mga anak mo. No time for family. Madalas dahil kapos ka sa pera, lagi kang overtime and kailangan mong kumita ng extra. Slave of money. This is the most painful you will experience if you don't save money, lalo na pagbaon ka sa utang. You cannot quit your job because you need to earn money. Jim Rohn said, we must all suffer one of two things, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret or disappointment. Again, tatlong bagay na magpapayaman sa'yo. Una, decision. Pangalawa, discipline. At pangatlo, determination. Kung may question ka pa, pwede mo akong i-message sa Facebook, Roancelis Capistrano. Ang messenger link ko ay bit.ly/RoanFB. Pwede mo rin akong i-email sa roan.capistrano@gmail.com or kontakin sa 0926-800-8685.